Good evening, everybody. Sean Carlson here, Black Shack 98 Enterprises. I have a problem with my Kia Sorento, 2018 Sorento, trailer, wiring, harness, connections. I'm going to show you guys what the problem is. Just let me flip this camera over. So this here is a trailer wiring harness tester. This is the tester that goes into your car and checks it. I'm going to plug this in. The car is currently turned off. I'm going to plug this in, and you're going to see something which I find is very strange. Okay, so let me put this in here. Just like that. Now, as you can see, that light comes on. That light is not supposed to come on. The car is not on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside, turn the lights on completely. So here I go. Lights are on. Now I'm gonna turn the car on. Car is on. Now I'm going to hit the left turn signal. On. Off. I'm going to hit the right signal. On. Off. Now I'm going to hit the brakes. Pressing, releasing, pressing, releasing. Lights off. Car off. Coming back. As you can see, there is a problem here. Everything is off, but that stupid light is on for some reason, and I don't understand why it is. But when I pull it out, so ladies and gentlemen, if any of you can tell me what exactly is wrong, I am open to it. See this here little square that accesses the fuse. There's a 15 amp fuse in there. I just put a nice fuse in there, which is the reason why this was able to work. Now, I don't know what the heck is wrong with this. Could anybody please give me any ideas as to what can be causing this malfunction? I'm looking forward to hearing any input whatsoever. Thank you.